Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. ADSS positions itself as a regionally strong, institutionally styled broker with a focus on multi-asset trading and personalized market access. The platform offers trading across Forex, equities, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, with execution designed to suit both retail and more experienced traders. ADSS emphasizes reliability, strong liquidity access, and structured market coverage, making it appealing to traders who want a broker that feels closer to traditional financial institutions rather than purely promotional platforms. Traders benefit from advanced charting, integrated risk management tools, and direct market access features that support more disciplined trading strategies, particularly for those who follow structured trading plans and longer-term market analysis. One of ADSS's strengths is its focus on service depth, rather than flashy incentives. The platform provides educational content, daily market analysis, and research tools aimed at helping traders understand macro trends, economic data releases, and broader market sentiment rather than just short-term price movements. Customer support is positioned as a key advantage, with multi-language assistance and regionally focused service teams that cater to traders in different markets. On the downside, some traders find the interface less beginner-friendly compared to lighter platforms, and others mention that the learning curve can feel steeper for those new to leveraged trading. The platform prioritizes structure and control over simplicity, which may not suit traders who want a minimal setup and instant execution without deeper configuration. A ADSS has a longer operational background compared to many newer brokers, with roots tied to the MENA financial markets. Over time, it has built a reputation around regulatory presence, capital backing, and a more traditional brokerage model. This history adds a layer of credibility, especially for traders who value regulatory alignment, operational stability, and institutional style processes over rapid onboarding and aggressive promotions. However, this same structure can make ADSS feel less flexible for traders who prefer ultra-low barriers to entry, quick experimentation, and bonus-driven trading environments. In terms of account structure, ADSS offers Classic, Elite, and Pro accounts. The Classic account is designed for standard retail traders, providing access to core markets with straightforward trading conditions. The Elite account targets higher volume traders, offering enhanced pricing, improved execution, and additional services. The Pro account is aimed at experienced and professional traders who require tighter spreads, priority support, and advanced execution conditions for active strategies. Fees, spreads, and commissions depend on the account tier and traded instruments, and conditions can vary based on market liquidity and region, so traders should always verify details directly on the official ADSS site before committing capital. When it comes to public feedback, Infinox currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.6. Many traders highlight fast execution, stable MT4 and MT5 performance, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, and generally smooth withdrawals over time. A DSS holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6. Reviews often mention strong customer service, reliable market access, and professional support, while some users point out platform complexity and occasional friction during account-related processes. Final takeaway: if you're looking for speed, simplicity, and execution efficiency with a strong track record among active traders, Infinox stands out as a streamlined and performance-driven option. If you prefer a broker with a more institutional feel, deeper market structure, and regional strength backed by longer operational history, ADSS offers a more traditional trading environment. If this breakdown helped clarify your choice, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually matches how you trade, manage risk, and grow with the markets long term.